Hello everyone, welcome back to Abhi Codes. Today we are diving into the GeeksforGeeks problem of the day, meeting room tree. This problem challenges our understanding of scheduling algorithms and efficient resource allocation. Let's break it down and solve it step by step in Java. So here the problem statement says you are given an integer n representing the number of rooms numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Additionally, you are given a two-date integer array meetings where meetings I is equal to start I, comma end I. Indicates that a meeting scheduled during the half close time interval all starting values are unique. And here's meeting allocation rules. When a meeting starts, assign to the variable room with the smallest number. If no rooms are free, delay the meeting until the earliest room becomes available. The delayed meeting returns its original duration. When a room becomes free, assign it to the delayed meeting with the earliest original start time. Determine the room number that hosts the most meetings. If multiple rooms have the same highest number of meetings, return the smallest room number among them. So let's dive into the approach. How should this question be solved? So to have efficiently manage from room allocations and mini schedules, we will use two priority queues. One priority queue for available rooms queue. Here we will use a main heap that keeps track of available rooms sorted by their room numbers. And another priority queue for busy rooms queue, where a main heap that keeps track of rooms currently in use sorted by their end times. Moreover, we will also maintain an array to count the number of meetings held in each room. So let's start solving the code. So here's the code over here. Even though this question seems hard and it's really difficult to solve it, but after a long time, after various attempts, I finally able to solve this question. And as you have seen that all these cases have been passed successfully and without any flaw. And so it's time to explain the code. How have I done this? So you can see this very huge code over though. But yeah, I did it finally. So let's break it down. So this region that arrays dot sort meetings comma new comparator int. This portion is for sorting the meetings array by start time so that we can process them in the correct order. Then we used one priority queue for managing rooms, which is a min heap of available room indices 0 to n minus 1. And rooms are always assigned in the smallest index order. Then another priority queue has been used over here to track PZ rooms storing pairs of end time and room index. It's sorted by end time so that we can know which room will become free next. Then we use for loop to iterate through each meeting, and by processing each meeting we release the rooms that have finished meetings before the current one starts. If a room is free, then we assign it and update the count for that room. If no rooms are free, then we delay the meeting until the earliest room is available, and also we keep the duration the same by shifting the end time accordingly. Then here we find a room with most number of meetings, and here its significance is after all meetings are processed, find a room with the highest meeting count. So this code uses time complexity and space complexities of big O in bracket m log n plus m log n and big O n respectively. So that's it. Hope you learned something new from this video. So can you mention in the comments that how what's the better solution other than this, so that I can also get to know about it and I can also love with you guys. So that's so signing off. Thank you.